Okay, Google. When is the next Fortnite tournament?
Are you serious? Hi guys, it's Almi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I haven't done a get ready with me in a while, so yeah, I might as well do it today. And I'm in a different setting because I'm actually in Toronto right now. I watched the Ed Sheeran concert last night, which was amazing. His voice was so good live. And yeah, it was a nice experience. I went with my boyfriend, and later we're heading out to Chinatown to grab some food. So yeah, I don't want to make this too chit-chatty. Get ready with me, so I'm gonna go ahead and start now. First, let me grab my moisturizer. I forgot it. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, and it's like my favorite lotion because it's the only thing that works with like my super dry skin, so I like it. I use a mixture of 2 concealers, the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, which is a dupe of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and it's amazing. And I'm also going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, which is full coverage. I love it. It's like pretty good at like getting rid of my dark circles and also like dark pigmentation in my skin, so that's why I like this. And I don't like to put a lot because this stuff is pigmented. My gosh, babe, can you damp this, babe? I don't want to get up.
How do you do that?
just wet it with water. Babe, catch it. Okay, I'm gonna show you while my boyfriend's dampening up my what's it called? This is like the view outside. It has other condos up here. The only annoying thing is that there's so many planes like passing by. It's the annoying part of it. There's my boyfriend. Say hi.
What's up, boys?
What's up, boys? Okay, thanks. So I used concealer before because when I apply it after foundation, it kind of like fades my foundation, which is not good. So yeah. Oh my gosh, that looks super light, but don't worry. Okay, after that I apply my foundation, and I'm gonna apply the NARS after the foundation. So for the foundation today, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is no joke. It is super full coverage. So if you have like, a lot of like dark pigmentations and like acne scars, this is really good for covering it up. So I'm just gonna apply this, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, and then I apply my NARS concealer. I'm gonna set everything else with a Kat Von D Lock It brightening powder. So I'm gonna take just a little bit, apply it on my under eyes. I'm also gonna like kind of sculpt my what is it called? Sculpt my cheeks a little bit. Just a little bit. And I don't really like to bake too long. I like to brush it out right away because I don't want to look too cakey. tell you guys, but for my brows I used the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit and the 24-Hour Brow Setter. I'm gonna contour my face using the Park Ave Princess from Tarte. I'm sorry if there's so much noise going on. There's like planes going by and back and forth. I don't know. What's that? Is it an airplane?
Airplanes, yeah.
How I contour is I contour above where the, what is it called? The hollows of my cheeks are, and that will definitely give you like a chiseled look. So. Contour be popping though. What time is it right now?
1:30.
It's like 1:30 right now, and we planned to leave at like 1, but that didn't work. So I'm trying to like hurry up. Nose contour makes like a huge difference in everyone, you know. I'm gonna use the Aphrodite palette from Hush, which Hush sent me. I'm gonna do like a peachy look because yesterday I did like a plum reddish look, so today I'm gonna change it up a bit. So I'm gonna take a transition color and apply it over my lid. I'm not like the best at eyeshadow. I just do like the same steps, but with like different colors sometimes. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this palette from Etude House, and I'm gonna use this like orangey peach color on like the center of my lid. I'm using like a flat packing brush. Warm brown, and I'm gonna apply it on the lower lash line. And then next I'm gonna go back to the Aphrodite palette, and I'm gonna take a peachy, like rusty orangey color and apply it on the outer crease. This Super Shack shadow from ColourPop, and this is in the color A Little Quirky, and I love to apply this all over my lid, but for today I'm going to apply it in the center, and this will just give my eyes some sparkle, and also the inner corner. I always apply like an inner color highlight. It just doesn't complete the look without like that highlight in the inner corners. So moving on to the eyeliner, I used a NYX Epic Ink Liner. And I'm just gonna wing my eyes a little bit. Stop! I think I messed up my eyeliner. Next, I'm gonna curl and apply my mascara. I'm gonna use the Tarte Lights Camera Splashes mascara. It's my favorite mascara because it does the job, you know. Still filming? Yep. We're done with the eyes. I finished my eyes. Next is my blush. The blush I'm going to be using is the Becca Mineral Blush in the color Songbird, and it's just like a corally peach. It's my go-to blush because it's pretty. And I like to apply it like on the center of my cheeks and then spreading it outwards. I'm just gonna blend it out, make sure it's not patchy or anything. And then highlight, I'm gonna use the ColourPop highlighter in the color Glazed. And I'm gonna apply this on the center of my nose, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, the Cupid's bow, and like the cheeks right here. Ooh, the highlighter. I like this highlighter because it's not super like overpowering and like crazy, but it does do the job. It highlights without it being too much, you know. The last step is the lips. I'm gonna use the ColourPop, I forgot what it's called, but this is in the color Mama. It's their liquid lipstick. And the way I apply it, I dab it and then I spread it out because I don't want it to be too much, you know. And I use my finger to like blend it out. And this is like a little bit orangey too. Yeah, this is the final look, guys. Let me come closer. This is the eyes. And yeah, this is the final look. I know I was kind of rushing to it because I really gotta leave. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.